Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Quarantine Zone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quarantine Zone game on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, in order to optimize your graphics, click on the options menu. From here, you will need to click on video at the top section, and now you can choose either your windowed mode or full screen, as well as your display resolution. Make sure you choose the correct resolution for your display and then apply your settings. If you notice any screen tears within your gameplay, make sure to enable VSync as well. And now if you scroll underneath, you will see the graphics quality preset. You have the low, medium, the high, as well as the epic preset. Now if your device supports it, then you can first try using the epic preset. By choosing epic, click on apply, and now you can go into your game and see how these settings feel. If you don't notice any issues, then you don't need to make any further changes. Otherwise, go back into your graphics option, and now if you scroll underneath, you can try reducing the more taxing presets first, such as the reflections, the shadow quality, or the motion blur as well. You can also try reducing the quality preset by one step, and then apply your changes and see how they feel. You also have the option to auto-detect the best settings for your system. However, this may not always work perfectly, so even after using the auto-detection option, you can always tinker around and find the best quality for your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Quarantine Zone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.